Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the frequency channel on your TECNO router. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the admin page, and to do that we're going to go to the router's admin page, and to do that we're going to connect our router to our PC, so connect to the router's network, and then we're gonna go to the router's admin page by using the default IP, which is 192.168.0.1, so it should look something like this. So let's enter, and if you are logged out, to log in, you just use the default password and username, and those are just admin lowercase. This is what it should look like. There we go. Now we're going to go to the home page, go to the Wi-Fi settings, then select Advanced Settings tab, and here we have frequency. So just select the frequency that you need, and then once you've done that, press apply to save your settings. And if it asks you to restart, do that. And now you're done. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.